What's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. On this video today, I'm going to show you how you can start making money online with no money out of pocket. All right, welcome back. A few weeks ago, I did a video on how basically it is nearly impossible to make money online without spending any money out of your own pocket first. I've done hours and hours and loads of research on this, and I have found a way where I believe you can make money online within a week without spending any money out of pocket, and I'm here to share that with you today. Free value. But first, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell because we are giving free money, cryptocurrency, watches, camera equipment, and even a $5,000 Rolex watch once we hit a certain number of subscribers. If you want to see how the giveaways break down, click the card above to go check out that video and then come right back to this one to learn how to make money online with no money out of pocket. It's really awesome and I can't wait to share this with you. So what are the different ways that we can make money online in today's world, right? So the internet has given us this amazing opportunity to make money without even having to leave your house. But how do we tap into that? How do we tap into that potential that the internet offers us? Well, there's a few ways. There's affiliate marketing, which I'm a huge fan of. And then there's e-commerce. There's fulfillment by Amazon. A lot of these things either take money or they take an influence, that sort of thing, for you to be able to make money. Affiliate marketing, you have to have some sort of influence already in the market. Fulfillment by Amazon, you are going to have money up front, at least $1,000 to get started. And even then, that's not really guaranteed to make money, to make a profit right off the bat. And so, and then there's also like Shopify stores where you have to have money to open a Shopify store. You can do the free trial, but after that, it's going to take money. And then you have to pay for traffic to come to your stuff. So, you know, all of that takes money. I've found a way to where you can make money within 7 days and have nothing out of pocket for that. Now, all of that being said, please understand that this is not, you know, $100 a day kind of thing. This is not a $10,000 per month starting out kind of thing. As with anything, there is no get rich quick, right? Everything takes time. It takes time to gain the knowledge, build a foundation, then build the growth, okay? What we're doing today is building the knowledge. And so I'm going to show you kind of what I've done. Let's jump into my computer screen right here, and we will check it out. What we're going to be doing is working with Aliexpress. If you're not familiar with Aliexpress, it is a division of Alibaba. Products that come from China, they make them in mass quantity and then they just warehouse them. And unlike Alibaba, where you would order in bulk, Aliexpress gives you the opportunity to buy pieces. So whenever you open a Shopify store and run an e-commerce store that way, you use Aliexpress. The products coming from Aliexpress are substantially more expensive than if you got them from Alibaba, simply because Alibaba, you're buying in bulk, so you get a cheaper price. Aliexpress, you're buying pieces of something, so it's a little more expensive. What we're going to be doing is taking Aliexpress products, posting them for sale on eBay, which is free to do, and then selling them on eBay. Once someone buys them, you go order the product on Aliexpress and you simply drop ship it straight to the person that bought it on eBay. You're basically the middleman for people that don't know to buy stuff straight from Aliexpress. Super simple. This is the kind of thing, if you nail the right kind of products, you can start making, you know, 10, 20, 30 bucks a day. I pump out 10 to 12 different products every single day just to build the massive volume that I need. And yeah, seeing money from that rolling in, no problem. No money out of my pocket. The cool thing is, once you post your products on eBay, let's say I want to post a watch that I can buy for $10 on AliExpress and I can sell it for 20 bucks on eBay. I can list that I have 10 or 15 or 100 of these watches available. And that way I can keep getting orders rolling in for that watch. Another thing you need to keep in mind is you want to look for products that are small and lightweight. You don't want to be doing big, heavy speaker boxes and that sort of thing because it will simply take too much in shipping. We want to focus on items that are coming from the US. There's products that are already stored in US warehouses. We want to focus on those products, and then you want to select free shipping. So let's jump into it and I'll show you what I mean. The first thing we can do is go for Electronics, consumer electronics, this is a great niche to sell in because everything's lightweight and you can sell it for quite a bit of money. We're going to start off with searching in the consumer electronics section for portable battery bank or power banks. And so you see right here what we have. Okay, so we have portable battery banks or power banks, and you can kind of choose the battery capacity that you want over here on the left, or what sort of output interface, whatever. Narrow it down. And you can see that there are literally hundreds. There's 7 pages worth of these different battery banks for sale. There's two settings that you want to select on this. You want to do ships from United States if you are in the US. I'm not sure if there's any UK version or anything like that. And then also free shipping, because you don't want to have to pay for shipping. If you select shipping from China, it can take a month or more for your product to get from China to your eBay buyer. And that's not going to look good for your seller reputation on eBay. So I highly recommend United States, shipping from United States. The issue with this is it's going to narrow down quite substantially the amount of products that you have to offer on eBay. So we see we're going to go first. We're going to go over here and we're going to search price low to high, and then just kind of scroll through and see what we can find. Here we have something, a waterproof 10,000 milliamp hours solar charger dual USB power bank with LED light. This is pretty cool. Ships from the United States, estimated 2 to 7 days. It's going to be a little bit longer than that, more like 2 weeks. US $12.99 to $17.99 a piece. So this looks really interesting to me. Let's see here. It shows that it's on-time delivery, takes 10 days. That's not bad at all. 9,000 to 10,000 milliamp hours. It's some like random brand name. So what I do is I do a little bit of product research first. I simply highlight the title of this. So I will pop it over here into the search bar on eBay. And I'm looking here. You see them going anywhere from $15, which is about the price that you're going to buy it for, all the way up to $30. Here's 16, 15. But the key here is you want to search sold listings. Okay, look on the eBay site down here, show only sold listings, because it doesn't matter what people are selling it for now. What matters is what they've sold for in the past. So you see this one, it's basically the exact same thing we're looking at over here on Alibaba, selling for $15, $16. Here's one that sold for $20. That's reassuring. Here's one over here, the Talcuda, that sold for $28.10, and that was November 28th of last year, and that was coming from China, not from America. So I really believe that we can sell these things for $25. It might take more than a week to sell it, but you can set your parameters on eBay to list something for sale for 30 days. If you're listing 10 individual products per day, every single day, you're going to build such a volume in your store of just random products that eventually you're going to start making sales, and you will see that. That's what happened for me. No money out of my pocket. All they do, they purchase the product. I take their money that they sent me via PayPal. I go buy the product for a few dollars less than what they bought it for, and then I just ship it directly to them. No problem. So I think we can confidently sell this thing for $25. $18 purchased on the high end. I would say as long as you can mark up 25% of the actual purchase price, you should be good. Let's say we're buying this for $15. If you can sell it for $20, that's a 33% profit on the original purchase price. So $25 or $24.97, it seems like a really doable goal. So what we'll do is you simply click on the listing that is similar to what you're going to be selling, and right underneath the photos you click have one to sell, sell now. It already preloads your title up here, so that's good. UPC does not apply, condition new. Add photos, what I do is I just come over here and I simply save the images to my desktop, just like that. And I'll just save 2 or 3 of them, maybe some with some information. We're seeing that this orange one, which is one that they have in stock in the US, is $16.39. So if we sell that for $24.97 on eBay, Remember, they're already paying for the free shipping, so we don't have to worry about that. That is a solid $8 profit. If you sell 10 of these a day, you're making $80 a day, or something similar to this, and that is fine. Let's see. So we will add our photos over here on eBay. Just simply select them, open. They'll start to upload, no problem. Item specifications or specifics, solar power bank, it's universal, it's unbranded. We're going to leave it as unbranded. Connectivity USB, 10,000 milliamp hours. Number of ports 2, comes from China, 320 grams. It already preloads because the person before us did all of this work. We're simply just piggybacking off of their listing. Then you have to put something in your item description. You see this red asterisk there, means that you have to put something. So I just go down to the description here, and I simply, most people don't read the description. They already kind of know what they're looking for, but this is an accurate description. I'm going to put it as a fixed price, 30 days. I'm going to put it in for $24.97 per piece. I'm going to put that I have 10 of them. Let's make sure that there's actually 10 up here. Normally, if they're running low, it'll say up here, you know, 5 pieces available. So we'll put that we have 5 of them. Now, if we ever run out, let's say someone buys one, we come over here to purchase and there's only one left, then you can just go update your listing that they're all sold out, no problem. PayPal, put your email address in there of what your PayPal is. If you guys want to send me PayPal money, that's the email address right there. Go for it. I'm just kidding. Shipping, free shipping. We're going to put that this weighs 13 ounces. It doesn't matter what it weighs because it's being shipped for free by this company here. You see on this side real quick that it's 10 days on-time delivery. They guarantee that. Full refund if product isn't received in 10 days. So that means that they will have it there in 10 days, no worries. Like I mentioned before in the beginning of this video, if you have it shipped from China, that's going to be 30 to 45 days. You don't want to do that. For shipping, I just select USPS, first class shipping. It's the cheapest. It has to be 13 ounces or less over here. And then I just put that it's coming from my location. It doesn't matter where it's coming from. As long as it's coming from the US, that's all good. List item. For me, it's 30 cents to list because I've been listing so many items that I've reached the max amount that I can do for free. But I think you get 500 items to list for free. I have well over that. So list item. There we go. Success. Your item has been listed. Now, anytime anyone searches for 10,000 milliamp hours or a portable solar battery pack, whatever, this will pop up and hopefully get some sales in the next couple days. Like I said, this is set for a 30-day sale period. However, if you wanted to, you could put it for a 7-day. That'll kind of prompt people to buy it. It will pressure people to buy because they'll see that it's ending soon. I leave mine up for 30 days because it just sort of makes sense to let it run longer, give people more of a chance for people to see it and buy it and that sort of thing. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful to you. Remember that to be able to do this, you need to have an Aliexpress.com membership, which is free. You need to have an eBay membership that's free also, and you need to have a PayPal. That way you can accept your payments. If you are a teenager, if have a parent sign you up, but yeah, there's money to be made through this for sure, definitely. You can see right here that I have a total of 40 types of, or 40 products. I'm not going to show you what they are, but I have 40 active items, and with each one of those 40, I have anywhere from 3 to 15 pieces of each item, right? So I have the battery bank that we just put in there. I have 5 of those available for sale. Other items that I have on there, I have 10 available for sale. Other items, 2 or 3. But that just kind of shows a quantity that allows more than one buyer to buy a specific product. If you only put that you had one of each thing, you would have to be updating every single time someone bought something. This way, you don't have to. You put that you have a few of them available. That allows your ad to run longer. And then once that 3rd person or 5th person or whatever buys the last product, then the ad goes down and you don't have to worry about it. I hope this video helped you. I hope it was informative. I hope this shows you that you can make money without having any startup cost at all. Online entrepreneurship is like literally the goose that lays the golden egg. This is probably not like a super long-term thing. I don't think you could build necessarily a fortune from this. I don't think that you would build. I know of people that make $60,000 a year, which is a living doing this. That's their profits, and their gross is $300,000 or $400,000, and then their profits, their take-home profits, are $50,000 to $60,000, $70,000. So you could make a living, but you won't make a fortune off of this. However, the money that you make off of this could supplement your living expenses and then help you to expand to something like a Shopify store or fulfillment by Amazon, or get you rolling with affiliate marketing, so that you'll be able to pay for paid ads through Google, Facebook, or Instagram, or YouTube, or whatever. I hope this was informative and helpful. If you haven't subscribed already, click the subscribe button below. I'll be bringing further updates in regards to this setup of selling online, this setup of sort of e-commerce, I guess, if you want to call it that. And then don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you see when I post these videos. Also, if this video helped you, give a thumbs up. It's easier now, literally, than ever before in the history of humankind to make a living, to make decent money, and even make a fortune on some things just using the internet. All you need is a phone, and an internet connection, really, or computer, and you can make a fortune. Make a living, definitely, for sure. That's all I've got today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped, and I will see you tomorrow.